Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you will definitely get notification on your mobile phone or on your PC or on your email account. In this video, I just want to give you some brief if it's actually possible to get a loan in Nigeria without BVN. There are a lot of comments which I have seen in different videos regarding some loan platform which are actually asking them to drop a BVN, which of course might not be included in the video or the apps that are actually mentioned in some videos. So then I actually want to make this video so you will be able to understand what and why some loan platforms are required users to drop their BVN for some verification purpose. So most of the loan app which I have made video about regarding the fact that they are not requesting for a BVN before they can actually grant a user a loan. I make all my research before I can be able to pull out a video or a specific app that they are not asking for a BVN or whatsoever. So then some people make some abusive regarding the apps. In essence, if some people borrow a loan on any loan platform, they think that once they get the loan, they shouldn't pay back the loan which they borrowed. And some in other way around feel like they are insecure if they give out their BVN to people. Okay, this is the thing. It's two different ways. If you want to get money from someone, like you don't know the person at all and you want to get money from someone, or someone want to get money from you and you want to give money to that person, you don't know the whereabouts about that person. Are you going to give that person the loan or the money, which of course the person borrowed the money, but you don't know the whereabouts about the person, you don't know where the person lives, you don't know any means of communication about the person. You are not going to give the person that money. You are not going to borrow that person the money. Instead, you might decide to just give that person, like touch that person without looking out to get a repayback. So now, most of these loan apps decide to give out a loan to people who are very much interested, who are finding it so difficult to pay out some bills, and this loan platform think they should be of help to you and they should be able to serve you and give you what you actually need. But then people abuse all these loan apps in the fact that they make these loan apps feel like they don't know what they are actually doing. In the essence that if they borrow a loan, they don't want to pay back. Then most of these loan apps decided to make a smart move on every individual that want to borrow a loan. That is, if you want to borrow a loan from any platform now, you see that they ask for your phone number, your bank login details, your BVN, so that in case any money enter your account or you receive any payment after you have borrowed a loan from any of the loan platform, they will have access to trace your account and remove the money that you borrow from the platform. And here is another thing. In case you want to borrow a loan of up to 100,000 naira, all these loan platforms need to have access to your account, how much you are receiving on a monthly basis, how much you are sending out from your account. Then with that they'll be able to determine how much loan they should give you and you'll be able to pay back. As you can see my screen, there are some specific loan platforms which is OPay, EaseMoney and PalmPay. All these platforms will request you to drop your BVN. And you feel insecure when you want to deliver or want to send your BVN to someone. I feel like you shouldn't be like that and you shouldn't feel like insecure if you are giving out the BVN to people, because you are also getting something from them. If at all you are not getting something from them, you don't need to give out your BVN or whatsoever to any of these loan platforms in order to get money from them. They are also risking their own money while you are also risking your own information as well. So it's of two ways. It's either you give them your BVN and get a loan that you want, or they owed their money and you literally owed your information, your private information, of course. So in this video, I just have to be sincere with you and tell you what it is when they ask you to drop your BVN. Some people don't know. They feel like once they drop the BVN, they will be able to have access to their account and remove their money without a notification, or even though if you don't borrow any platform, that any of these platforms can actually remove money from your account. That is not possible. They are not going to remove any money from your account, or else you borrow money from the platform. And of course, if you do not pay back the loan easily, they are going to take the loan from your account in the hard way. So that is how it works. It's as simple as that. So my best advice for you is, if you don't want to give out your private information to any loan platform, don't request for a loan. And if you are very much interested in getting a loan, then you should be very ready to drop your valuable information about your banks. So in case you don't pay back the loan, they are going to have access to your account and remove the money equivalent that you borrow from the platform. That is how it works, and that is what I actually want to share with you in this video. If you have been looking out for a way to get a loan in Nigeria without a BVN, phone number, bank information, those are the things that doesn't work again. Only little or few apps are working that way. Probably they are just launched and they are looking for people to give loan. But most of the trending loan platform, Money, PalmPay, OPay, Kuda, Fair Money, Branch, they are going to request for your BVN. I don't want to know. They are going to request for a BVN, and if you don't want to drop it, you won't have access to the platform, and they won't be able to run a background check on your account in order to give or disburse a loan to your bank account. So this is all I have for you in this video. If you also have much question which you want to know about this, let me know through the comment section below. I'm very much happy to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.